However, their friend's coming over right now, or from my understanding is en route right now. That's a cluster with the dogs and the kids. The kids are running all over the place. They got 6 dogs they're trying to manhandle. Would you be okay giving them enough time until their friend gets here to pick them up?
Did it say how long?
They're checking right now. I just want to see if you're going to entertain it before we even go down that road. Well, I just don't want a kid to get ran over.
I mean, he's on my payroll right now, and it's costing me money.
I get it.
I've been dealing with them for 3 months. So
my concern is I don't want a kid to get run over by a car in the street.
No, I understand that, but that's not my problem. That's their problem.
Well, it's everyone's problem when a kid gets run over.
It's their problem if a kid gets run over.
It's not your problem if you tell them no and you're not going to let them 5 minutes till their friend gets here.
If it's 5 minutes, I'll give them 5 minutes.
Okay.
But if it's an hour, no.
Okay. You're not even willing to let them sit here for an hour until they get...
Oh, I have no problem if
so
they
they're
sit...
not walking down the road.
Yeah, if they're off the property, out of my way, I'm completely fine.
Perfect.
Yeah.